I find it so beautiful how, and I feel like I've said this before, but there's always this beautiful thread of a shared thought. And I made a previous video on how we are always influencing, and within that, there is this energy of copying, but there is always an understanding of knowing where the energy is, which is very important, right? But there is this beautiful thing of having this shared thread of common thought process that is genuine, which is why it is so important to understand where the energy comes from, right? And energy is so important in every single aspect of our lives. Like, I look at energy in so many different ways because, for example, two people can ask you the same question and the energy can be completely different. And it's so important to understand where the energy is coming from, right? And but it's so beautiful to see this common thread where so many of us are connected soulfully in this space and we don't know each other. And I've mentioned this in a previous video of how we have this shared thought and how we may end up clicking on a video or seeing a past interview or reading a book or whatever of something, and we have that same thought. And how I also mentioned of how this isn't anything new. This is so ancient, and how everything just kind of loops back around, and how we just share this beautiful common thread when we are connected. And so, and how you always have to understand like where the energy is coming from and whether the energy is truly a copy or whether the energy is a shared thread or a shared connection, right? And when it's a shared connection, it is so beautiful. Like, it really is so beautiful. And it is just incredible to see and witness. And I don't know, it's just so amazing. But yeah, I think that's it. Namaste.